Conville here again for String Tech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. Just kind of wrapping it up. It's been a long day. But before I do, I'd like you to hear both these guitars. You can just play some simple chords and let you hear how accurate these guitars are. This beautiful Cutaway Larrivee. Spectacular maple on this thing. And this is the one with the scalloped fingerboard. The machine heads aren't quite the engineering feat of the ratio machine heads, but they are beautiful nonetheless. So it has its compensated nut done, the bridge has been compensated, and the action's been regulated. I need to say something about that. When you regulate the action or the playability of the guitar, it's not that you just make the guitar wonderful to play and smooth to play, but that regulates the intonation as well, because you're exerting the same amount of force along the entire length of the neck. Whether it's this scalloped Larrivee fingerboard or this Japanese Tele that we did that very tricky fret dress on. There were all kinds of spots where it was, you know, it was fretting out and the action had to be hiked up so you could make it playable at all. But the problem with that is when you hike up the action like that, well, the intonation goes out the window. Not now. Have a listen. This is a very, very simple test I use with common chords, like your average kind of C form. Move it up to the 8th and 10th fret, and then 3rd and 5th.